In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a view in Asana. This guide is perfect if you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep track of all the milestones you and your team have achieved. Let's dive right in. Once you've successfully logged into your Asana account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is the heart of Asana, where all of your projects are housed, waiting for your attention and organization. Think of it as your personal mission control center, where you can oversee every aspect of your work life. Now, let's take a closer look at the project you want to review. Go ahead and click on it. Each project within Asana serves as a comprehensive hub that manages various components of your tasks. As we proceed, you'll see just how simple it is to manipulate these elements for optimal workflow efficiency. Once inside your project, you'll want to locate the filter option. This is a highly powerful feature within Asana that allows you to sift through your tasks based on different criteria. It's almost like having your personal assistant who can bring forward only the information you're interested in without any unnecessary clutter. Click on the filter option and you'll be presented with a range of filtering choices. Our focus today is on completed tasks. By selecting completed tasks, you'll instantly refine your view, allowing you to see just those tasks that have been marked as done. This is a fantastic way to visualize your progress and revisit the details of your completed work should you ever need to. Now, wouldn't it be convenient if this view greeted you every time you entered this project? To achieve that, it's a simple matter of clicking on the Save View option. This action will save your current filter settings, ensuring that displaying completed tasks becomes the default view for this particular project. From now on, every time you step into this project, the completed tasks will be visible right away. This method saves you a few clicks and makes your review process much more streamlined. It's all about having a quick and easy means of monitoring your project's progress through the completed tasks. Setting this as your default view means you're already one step ahead, with a clear understanding of what's been accomplished. This approach facilitates more efficient project management and planning, giving you the time to concentrate more on the work itself rather than the organization behind it. Remember, Asana is designed to make task management as smooth and effortless as possible, allowing you to shift your focus from the mundane task of organization to what truly matters, the work itself. Happy managing, and here's to achieving all your project goals with ease.